Hey everyone, Niall Doherty here from $50blogs.net. I got another quick screencast for you today. I'm going to show you how to add a contact form to your WordPress blog in just a matter of minutes. Okay, so we'll use demo.$50blogs.net as usual for demonstration purposes. And I'm here on a page I just created. So this page is called Contact and it's listed in the menu right there. But as you can see, it doesn't actually have a contact form on it, just some text. So we're going to fix that. The way we'll do it is via a WordPress plugin called Fast Secure Contact Form. And I have the WordPress.org info page for the plugin loaded up right here. Now, as I showed you in a previous screencast, there's an easy way and a not so easy way to install a WordPress plugin. I'm going to choose the easy way here. So I'm just going to copy and paste the name of the plugin. And then I head on over to the Add Plugins page or Install Plugins page on the demo.$50blogs.net site. That's accessible via the dashboard, as you can see over here. So Plugins, Add New. So I paste the name of the plugin in here. Click on Paste, Fast Secure Contact Form, and then I click on the Search Plugins button. Now make sure I have the right one in the list, and then I'm going to click on Install, hit OK, and once it installs I'm just going to activate it right away. So activate plugin, just like that. Okay, so once it's installed we need to navigate to the settings for the plugin, which can be found in this case via Plugins, FS Contact Form Options. So I click in there. I'm going to show you the bare minimum that we need to change as regards settings for this plugin. So first, you want to make sure that it's going to send the contact form submissions to the correct email address. So make sure this here is accurate, whatever you need that to be, so your usual email address. Then I usually scroll all the way down and I uncheck this meeting schedule box right here, because we just want a simple contact form. And that's really all I changed. So I can now click on any of these update options buttons. And that should bring us back to the top of the options page. There are, of course, lots and lots more options in there that you can play around with, but I'll leave it to you to fiddle around with those. So I'm just doing the essentials here. Right, so before we leave this page, we need to grab the shortcode that you see here. I'm just going to highlight it and I'm going to copy it. Now with that copied, I'm going to go back to my contact page right here. And I'm going to hit the edit button at the top, except I loaded this before I was logged in. Now, if we refresh the page, now I can click on edit. And in the editor, I'm going to delete all the existing content and paste the shortcode in there. And actually, it's best to do this via the HTML editor, because that just makes sure that no surprises sneak in. So let me paste in the shortcode and just save or click update. And then we go back and we will view this page on the front end. And there it is, our contact form looking nice and snazzy. It's best to test the form yourself, of course, before you tell people that they can contact you through there. One other thing I'll show you is how to change this default intro message right here at the top of the form. You just go back to the plugin options, which I believe was here, and that text is right there under welcome introduction. So you can change that to whatever you want. Alright, so that's all for this screencast. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Once again, my name is Niall Doherty for $50blogs.net, and you can check back next week for another helpful WordPress related tutorial / screencast dealio. And if you subscribe in the sidebar here at $50blogs.net/blog, you'll get a heads up on any special offers related to $50 blogs, plus advance notice of live support sessions where you can get all your blogging related problems solved and questions answered absolutely free.